Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Wooey Django web app to run as a service on the CentOS machine, and we are also going to set up Celery to run. Basically that was the idea of this video, because it's really cumbersome to have two consoles open and basically that way execute the application. Okay, so let's go to the CentOS 8B machine, and what we have to do is to go under the etc system d system and create our service files. Let me remove my web camera. So now what we would like to do is to make sure that we have one service which is running the web application and another service which is technically executing the Celery application. So let's activate our virtual environment, and with the sudo vi we can create our Wooey web app.service. And here we have to define the service itself. So we will have a unit definition, and this is going to be wanted by unit description is Wooey web app, and after equals network dot target, and we have a service definition, and this is run by the user reaper.py and the group reaper.py, and the working directory is going to be cannot open. Let me copy this one, enter, quit, let's give it a sudo and insert it. Okay, so this is going to be our working directory, the demo folder, and we are going to use our virtual environment to execute it. So working directory equals to the folder where the application lives, and we have the exec start, which is going to be the following. We want to use UVcorn to run our application, so we have to find out where is this UVcorn. So UVcorn, and this is located here, and the path I'm going to enter is the following. So home, reaper.py, and woo and win and UVcorn. How do we run this application with UVcorn? We have to specify the UVcorn demo.asgi:application --host is 0000. That way, if I go back to my browser and enter the HTTP CentOS 8B 8000, I am able to access my web application. So these are the arguments that I have to pass, and if I go here, this is how it looks like. And we need the exec reload, which is equal to /bin/kill -h hup main bit, and the install is going to wanted by equals multi user target. Okay, so if everything goes well, this is how our service definition looks like. Why am I missing it? So this is the unit, and the description is Wooey web app. Okay, so in order to register this service, we have to issue the sudo systemctl daemon reload, and now we can use the sudo systemctl start Wooey web app. And if you check the status, you can see that it is now running. And if I go here and open a new window and hit the URL, you can see it is working properly. We can also access the admin interface. Great! Now what we would like to do is to define our Celery part or service. So Wooey Celery, and we use the sudo vi, and we can repurpose it from here, this part, and insert it. And now we can say that this unit's description is Wooey Celery, and this is the part that we have to fix. So first we have to find out where Celery is, and this is in the same virtual environment. And if you search history, you will see that this is the command that we have to use to execute it. So let's go here and save it. Now we issue the systemctl daemon reload daemon and systemctl start Wooey Celery. Let's check the status. All right, it is now running, and the log seems to be fine. And if we go back and to the web page, we should be able to submit a new job. So technically, if I go hello name, Daniel, age is 99, with the description, my description, and submit it, you can see that this is in waiting status and entered success status. And for whatever reason, this is where the results are. And as you can see now, if I want, I can close down my terminal, and the service is still going to run, and I will be able to work with it. One more thing that I have to mention. Sometimes when you have SE Linux enabled, CentOS 8B, you will get an error when you try to start the service either for the Celery or the Django. And basically you can either add the exception to SE Linux, so it will not catch the process, or you can say that okay, I want to disable SE Linux, and you can do that by sudo set enforce 0. And that way you should have a working version of this. Let's do we have it? We have it. Great. And in the RabbitMQ, if we access it, come on, we should be able to. What? This code? Okay. See that we had the connections and it's working properly. Alright, technically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.